So today we'll discuss about your chapter number 8. Your chapter number 8 is a current electricity. So while discussing this chapter, your first topic is charge. What do you mean by the charge? In the previous class, you already learned about that the non-conducting bodies like a glass, silk, ebonite, fur, when we are up there is a transfer of electrons. जैसे हम स्केल के साथ स्केल को अगर हेयर्स में रब करते थे तो पीस ऑफ पेपर्स उसके साथ अट्रैक्ट करते थे, ठीक है. सो दैट्स ऑल कंसेप्ट बेस्ड ऑन द स्टैटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का मीन्स क्या है? इट्स अ फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज when the charge move, when the current applied to it and it start moving. So there is mainly two types of charge, that's a positive and the negative. हमने ये भी पढ़ा है कि two like charges means to say that the positive will be repel, negative will be repel, but if the opposite charge, so it will be attract and it conduct the electricity. So charge is denoted by Q, and sometimes we can take it as a capital Q. And the unit the scientists which discovered about the charge, so that name is a coulomb. So that's why the SI unit of charge is coulomb, COULOUOMB, and it's denoted by C. And there is a values. The 1 millicoulomb is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 3 coulomb. 1 microcoulomb is a 10 raised to the power minus 6 coulomb, and 1 nanocoulomb is a 10 raised to the power minus 9 coulomb. So we can say that the quantity of the charge on the body is determined by the number of electrons in deflect if the body is positively charged. So we can say that the value of the electron is equal to the minus 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19. And if we talk about the positive charge, so at that time we take it here as a positive. So the value of the charge is same as well as protons and the electrons. There is a difference in the signs. So we can see that in the insulators, कि जो इंसुलेटर्स होते हैं उनमें भी जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का कंसेप्ट है दैट्स आर बेस्ड ऑन द स्टैटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इट्स डू नॉट फ्लो. उनमें जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, उनमें जो चार्ज है, इट विल बी ऑन द स्टैटिक वे. इट कैन नॉट बी मूव फ्रॉम हियर टू देयर. On the other words, we can say that when we talk about the current electricity, so it's based on the conductor. Conductor are those substance in which the current can be flow, in which the electrons can flow. So next we talk about the current. So we can say that the rate of flow of charge in per unit time, कि per unit time में कितना charge flow कर रहा है, that is known as the current. And current is denoted by I, charge is denoted by Q, and T means a time. ठीक है. So the SI unit of current is ampere, charge is coulomb, and time is second. Okay, and the current will be flow always from the positive to negative. And when we talk about the direction of the electrons, so electrons will be flow from negative to positive. सी हियर कि अगर हम बात करें कि ये मेरे पास एक कंडक्टर है, इसको मैंने क्या किया, सेल के साथ कनेक्ट कर दिया. सो करंट विल बी फ्लो फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव. ओके, बट when we talk about the electron, so electron will be move from negative to positive. And that अगर आपसे पूछा जाए what is the direction of the conventional current, so its direction is positive to negative. And we talk about the flow of electrons, so it will be moved from negative to positive because the same charge will be repel and the different charge will be attract. Is it clear? So current is equal to the flow of charge in per unit time. तो एक तो यूनिट हो गई करंट की एम्पेयर विच इज़ डिनोटेड बाय ए, और अगर मैं अदर यूनिट की बात करूँ दैट्स ए कूलम पर सेकेंड. सो सी हियर so coulomb per second. Similarly, some units, so flow of current, the current will free electrons will constant while the electrolyte, अब electrolyte concept आपने पढ़ा होगा जिसमें पॉजिटिव चार्ज को कैटाइंस बोलते हैं, नेगेटिव चार्ज वी कैन से इट्स एनाइंस. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द, अब चार्ज किसके इक्वल है, n इंटू ई, टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल बी फ्लो. ई की फिक्स वैल्यू है 1.6 इंटू 10⁻19. अगर सपोज इस कंडक्टर में 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्लो कर रहे हैं तो 3 इंटू -1.6 इंटू 10⁻19 सी इट्स अ वैल्यू ऑफ charge. Is it clear? So current is a scalar quantity. By stating the direction of current in a conductor, we mean that it's a direction of motion of electron is opposite to it. ये मैंने आपको पहले क्लियर कर दिया कि जो इलेक्ट्रॉन की डायरेक्शन है वो हमेशा ऑपोजिट होगी